Ned Riggs. No, I don't know him. I knew a Ned Richards. You know that dude had that real bad cock eye down there at the bar? Always drank IPAs. Ugh. I always hated talking to him. Couldn't tell which eye to look at. That one be all wandering while you staring at the other one. Freaked me out. I didn't like it.
A wooden Indian standing over by the door. Fell in love with a Choctaw maid over in the Georgia store. Elijah, standing there, don't never let it show.
One thing you gotta remember is this is a finesse rig, so try to get by with the smallest weight as you can on these jigs. My favorite is a 1/16 ounce. That's the smallest that I make, and it seems to be the most effective. Now, as far as your soft plastics, you can go with a Ned specific like these right here, but my favorite is to take a Cinco and cut it in half and use half of it. I catch more fish with that. You can also use crawdads or whatever kind of creature bait you want to use. There's all different types of ways that you can work this lure. My favorite way is to throw it out there and give it a steady retrieve and just kind of work the rod tip up and down a little bit. That seems to work the best. Throwing a real small jig like this, it's going to be real hard to use your bait caster. I use a Zebco Micro 33. Y'all might make fun of me, but I like this little reel for small applications like this. Any kind of bluegill fishing, crappie fishing, or if I'm using a Ned rig, I pick this reel up. Now, if there's a downfall to fishing with the Ned rig, it's that it seems to always catch small bass. I think the biggest bass I've ever caught with a Ned rig is about 1.5 pounds, but it's fun as crap. So give it a try. If you ain't got Ned rigs in your arsenal, go pick some up. You're going to catch some fish with them, I guarantee it. And there you have it. That's the Ned rig in a nutshell. Now, what I'd like to do is give away a Ned box. In this box is lures made by me. I've got 5 1/16 ounce Ned rigs and 5 3/32 ounce, and a whole bunch of different colors of these Ned specific soft plastics, and also 4 different crawdads. Also with this giveaway, $25 Bass Pro Shop gift certificate, and I'll throw in a koozie and a Slough Life shirt in your size. All you gotta do is subscribe to our channel and make a comment on this video right here. I'll randomly select a winner from the comments and post it next week. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching.